Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will close the exercise of oil network modeling using GAP software. So lastly, we will try to archive the file. All right, so the final step to be carried out is to create an archive file of the entire model and save results so that this can be passed on to other engineers or management for interpretation. Okay, so to do this, we go to File, and then after you click on this file, then you will find option for Archive. So you select Archive and then press the Create button from the main GAP toolbar, right? This will prompt the following dialog from which the user can specify where the archive will be saved with its name. Okay, so I'm going to open this file and then find archive and create. Okay, so now this is the directory into which I will save the archive. So I'm going to, name it maybe oil field or gap oil field study. And you see save as type gap archive file .gar. Okay, so this is the format or the extension for gap archive file. All right, so when save button is selected, okay, then it will appear something like this. All right, so you can see here, so create archive. All right, and then you see here, see the drive users initial files. Okay, this is my directory, name of the file, including the vlp.out.vlp for the mbile as well, .mbi, right? Interesting. By default, all of the files associated with the model will be selected as archive files. However, if the user wants to only include the models instead of the results and snapshot files, then this can be archived by deselecting the appropriate files. So you can include and exclude the files that you want to store. There's also the option to include baggage, all right, baggage files like Excel spreadsheet and other, maybe PVT reports, completion reports, and so on and so forth. So you can include all of those files with the mbal file, .vlp, .out, and the gap itself within one archive folder, right? So like if you want to exclude, you can just do like this, or you can include all. Okay, you can also click on add button. All right, you can include, the Excel spreadsheet, something like that, report. You can include all of them within one archive folder. All right, so once the files have been selected, the archive file will be created when we click on this button, right. So I will click on this right button, and that will effectively close the series of oil network modeling within the GAP software. I'm not sure, but I want to make the extension of our case, which is oil production network, but we will involve rule-based optimization. Hopefully we can do that as soon as possible, but for now, let's just finish this entire series for oil network modeling by clicking on this right button. All right, creating archive successful. So I'm going to click on OK. That will close our series, that will close our video. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this series. I hope this series and video is useful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next GAP videos. Thank you.